Hey guys, welcome to Enaildiaries. Today I'm going to show you how to use a magnetic nail polish for a beautiful galaxy nail look. So let's get started. Okay, so there are two ways to use a magnetic nail polish. The first way, which I'm gonna go with today, is the combination of a dark base and a nice thick coat of that magnetic nail polish. The second way is to just skip the dark base step and apply 3 good coats of the magnetic nail polish for a nice opaque finish. Whichever way you choose, make sure it brings out the beauty of the magnetic nail polish. Like today, I chose a black base because I thought it would go really well with this particular nail polish, which is from MOLISH. Wait, was that a tongue twister? Nail polish from MOLISH. Nail polish from MOLISH. Nail polish. So, back on track. This is a Duochrome magnetic flaky nail polish. How cool is that? I bought it from a website, the link to which will be in the description box in case you're interested. Along with the nail polish, I also bought a line strip magnet stick, which I didn't quite like. So I'm going to use this cabinet magnet that was just lying around on my desk, and it really works. So I'm just going to hold it above my nail for about 15 seconds and that's it. Guys, look at that. Don't you think the black base complements the magnetic effect? Well, I'm not done yet. The last step is to apply top coat, and there you go. A beautiful galaxy nail art using a magnetic nail polish. Wait for the next few clips to see the shift in the nail polish from green to purple. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.